Hi, I'm Campbell Prince from the Pipe Language Software Group. In this short video we're going to be trying to fix up a chorus repository that's gone slightly astray. So we'll go to the data set here and we'll have a quick look, and first off I'll explain what the problem is. So my data is in here. WeSay. Okay, we'll have a look at this we'll have a look at this folder. You probably won't have this software here, but I'm just doing this to show you what the problem actually is. Okay, previously, in this particular case, you were running a version of WeSay or LiftBridge, sorry, that didn't work so well. It had a bug, and it's left the repository in this state. We can see that it's got two heads here and two parents. Okay, we've since fixed the bug, so if you download the latest WeSay 1.2 and it starts from a good state, it should be fine, but we need to get the repository in a good state first. So to do that, we're going to have to resort to using this, the command prompt. Okay, so get up one of those and we'll go find our data folder. And here it is. Okay, WeSay for its send and receive is built on a program called Mercurial, which has the command HG. So it's not on the path, so to get to it we need to do something like this. And if we run the parents command like that, it shows us the fact that we've got two parents like this. Okay, now what we're going to need to do is put our data in a safe place while we're working. So to do that, well, hide that out of the way. So I want to copy the data is in this lift file, so I'll just hold down Control and drag it onto my desktop. And there we can see I've got the data safely out of the way on my desktop. Now what we need to do is we need to revert the data in your data folder to this version, to your version here. So that's 508. So we need to remember this number here, 508. So to do that we get up our HG command, update -C 508. That's that number there. Okay. Now I'll just get back my little repository explorer, refresh. And we can see what's happened there. We're now based on this. We don't have two parents anymore. From this point, WeSay would actually now merge the data successfully, except that we have the wrong data because it's gone back to what this used to be. So we need to copy this data off our desktop back in again. I'll just put that up there. So I'll bring that in and copy it back. You can see here that this one's larger than this one. So yes, we copy that back, like so. Now we need to make sure that we've got the latest WeSay installed, and that can be obtained from our website, like so. I've downloaded that here. So we'll just install that. Okay, I'll just pause this while we're waiting. Okay, when the install is finished, it'll bring up this little web page here with our welcome to WeSay 1.2. We don't need that. Now we'll go to okay, now that we've installed the latest WeSay, we can start that by double clicking on the left file. Load up. We'll just have a look at the situation that we've got here. Here we go. You can see we still have these two heads here. Actually, as it happens, we've got three. There's one way down here somewhere. There we go. Way back when. So all of these need to be merged together, and we can do that by running WeSay. Okay, which I started. I'll just make it a bit smaller. There we go. So to merge them all together, we do a send receive. Doesn't matter where we do a send receive to, I'll just do a send receive to a USB drive, like so. And we can see it's doing two merges here. It's merging once with one head, and now it's merging with the other one. Okay, we're done. Yes. Okay, we can have a look here and see what that change looks like. We can see that the different branches here have been merged all into the same thing, which is the latest one. Latest file here, like so. There we go. Do have a look and let me know if it's all okay for you.